Hello, welcome again, students. This is our second videos for computer class 3 students. In first chapter, we learned introduction to computer, and we learned in first chapter how does a computer work in IPO cycle, means input process output cycle, and we learn about our computer system. We learn about different parts of computer, just like hardware and software, different type of computer hardwares and different type of softwares in our first chapter. Today we will learn about our chapter 2. Students, today we learn our chapter 2, learn to use MS Windows 10. In this video, in first part, we learn about an operating system and some more facts about our computer operating systems. So let's start the first part of this video. Have you noticed how different work at your home are done so well? It is because your parents manage all works at your home. In other words, they act as a managers at your home. The computer is made of different parts and does many works at a time. It also requires a manager for it. This manager in computer is called the operating system. Operating system is nothing but it's a software that help us to operate the computer system through its various functions. It controls and manages the different parts of computer systems. It acts as the interface, means middleman, between you, means user, and the computer parts. Students, there are different types of operating system. Here given some popular operating systems are MS Windows, Unix, Linux, Mac OS. Okay students, now let us know about MS Windows. MS Windows is an operating system. It is one of the most popular operating system software in the world. It is made by a company called Microsoft Corporation USA. Most of the people uses MS Windows operating system in their computers because it is very easy to use and you don't have to remember all the commands as it is graphic based operating system. It has small pictures called icons. On clicking these icons, you can do different things like drawing, playing games, watching videos, etc. Programs are arranged in different folders, files, and directories. So let's start the Windows first things. It's a desktop. Desktop is it may look different on different computers according to its setting. Just look like this figure. Desktop is generally has two following items: icons and taskbar. What is icon? An icon is a small picture that is used to open a program, files, or folders. To open any programs, you have to just double click on the icon with the help of mouse. Look at the pictures, students. It is different icons, and this one is taskbar or desktop taskbar. Now we have to know about selecting and deselecting an icon. To select an icon, follow the given steps. Step 1. Bring the mouse pointer over an icon. Next, step 2. Click the left mouse button once. The color of icon changes. It means that the icon is selected. Now, to deselect an icon, follow the given steps. Step 1. Move the mouse pointer away from the selected icon in the free space. And step 2. Click the left mouse button once. The color of the icon changes to its original color. It means that icon is deselected. Okay. Students, now we will learn selecting adjacent or non-adjacent icons step by step. To select adjacent icon, click the first icon to be selected, then hold down the shift key on your keyboard and click on the last icons to be selected. Now release the shift key, all the adjacent icon will be selected. To select non-adjacent icon, click the first icon to be selected, then hold down the control, it's written on your keyboard CTRL key or control key, and click on each of the icon to be selected. All the non-adjacent icon get selected. Now our next point is opening an application using icon. To open any application or program, just double click on its icon. Next point, sorting icons. Sorting the icon means arranging the icons on the desktop. To sort the icon, follow the given steps. Steps are given here. First step, right click on any blank area of the desktop. A shortcut menu appears as shown in your figure. Okay, it's step 1. Next, step 2, click the sort by option. A new sub menu appear. Sort by, a new menu will be appear. Move on to step 3, click the desired option to arrange the icon in that order. Okay, next point is hiding desktop icon. How can we hide any desktop icon from our desktop? We can hide icons on the desktop. To hide icons, follow the given steps. Our step 1 is right click on any blank area of the desktop. A shortcut menu appears as shown in our given figure. Move on, next step 2, click on the view option. A new sub menu appears, and step 3, click the show desktop icon to uncheck it. You see that all the icons on desktops become invisible. So students, enough for today. We will learn the next steps and topics in our second videos. Till then, just read the chapters entirely and